everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can actually fix the touchscreen issues or touchscreen glitches in iPhone 16 Pro Max or in iOS 18.1.2. So what you need to do is just hard reset your phone. If it is doing any touch issues like this, there is a volume button up and volume button down, and here the power button. You need to put your hand like this, so one of your finger is into the power button and your thumb into the volume button. So I'm going to reset it. I'm pressing the volume button up, down, and keep holding the power button. So volume button up, volume button down, and I'm holding the power button, and it will take for a moment to reset, like 5 to 10 seconds, and an Apple logo will come up. All screen goes black and an Apple logo will come up like this. Now I can release this finger, and an Apple logo will like this come up, and it will automatically hard reset the phone, which will fix the issue of touch screen which you are facing. In 90% cases it will automatically fix this issue, and you're good to go to use your phone. If it still shows you issue in your touch screen, you need to contact to the Apple store, or you need to physically check your phone to the Apple store if there is any hardware problem. If there is any software glitches or software problem, it will automatically be sorted out. One thing which you need to further check on, just go to the settings. In settings you need to go to the general, and in general you need to go to the software update. Make sure you have the latest model updated to your phone if your touch issue is still persisting. So in my case it is up to date, there is no issue, but that's how you can actually fix your phone. Until next video, bye bye. I hope this video helped you out in figuring your issues out. So thank you very much for watching the video. Bye bye.